Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nia, and I will be the host for today's discussion. So, how are you guys?
Fine.
I hope you, Alhamdulillah. I hope you all in a good condition and always happy. So, today we are going to discuss about how to enjoy working from home. This is our weekly program from Rumah Produktif Indonesia English School, and every week we have various topic. And today's topic is about how to enjoy working from home. And the speaker today is Mr. Bahtiar. But before we start the discussion, as usual, we have participants who will do self-introduction. So they are Ms. Nur Hayati and Mr. Fikri Haikal. So let me invite you for the introduction. Maybe Mr. Haikal has been ready for the introduction, yeah?
Inshallah.
Are you ready, Mr. Fikri?
Yep, inshallah, I'm ready.
Okay, so now you can start the self-introductions.
Me the first.
Yeah.
Good day. Yes, thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Good day. I'm Fikri Haikal Arif. I'm from Bulukumba, South Sulawesi, Indonesia. Bulukumba is a regency for about 100 kilometers from Makassar. I was born and raised in Bulukumba. I'm in 2020s. For now, yeah, I'm one of the 4 siblings, and for now, I've been living in Cairo, Egypt for 2 years ago.
Okay.
For 2 years more.
All right.
I'm a student at Theology Faculty and the famous university in this always that Al Azhar University. Are oh yes. For this moment, I want to tell all of you that the reason I'm joining this program, Rumah Produktif Indonesia for English School, to increase and improve my English. That's about my active and passive English. And then my hobby, I really like football, reading, and traveling. Uh, PSM Makassar and Chelsea Football Club are my favorite clubs. Pramudia Anantur is my favorite Indonesian outdoors, and I really like to visit some places. For example, Alexandria, Luxor, and many more. uh, do I have more time? I want to tell about.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yes, thank you. I'm gonna tell all of you that no situation now, according to the data from the Ministry of Health and Population of Egypt and Republic of Indonesia in Cairo, there are uh, 23,449 positive cases COVID-19 in Egypt. And for now, and for 3 days ago, there are there are 1,000 more cases every day. This a dangerous situation for about uh, 8,000 Indonesian students in Egypt.
Okay.
That we know, there are many differences between a student Indonesians in Egypt and the others country. There are many students from Indonesia don't have anything a scholarship. They have to keep their time for work, but this situation is not suitable for it. And from this forum, I seek all of you to give and help everyone if you have ability. Just it from me. Thanks for all. That's thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much to Mr. Fikri Haikal. It must be very great experience to live in Cairo, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the introduction. Next introductions will be for the chance will be for Miss Nurhayati. So, does Miss Nurhayati has joined the meeting? Hello, Miss Nurhayati, are you here? Hello, Miss Nurhayati. Is she
Nur Ian Rahim is Nurhayati.
Nurhayati? Yeah.
She's here, I think.
Ask him to pull to on you hear her microphone.
Hello. Where is she?
Ask her for
I cannot find
for on her.
her name.
Nur Ian Rahim is Miss Nurhayati.
Oh. Okay, Miss Nurhayati, can you turn on the speaker, please? Can I do it from here?
No, she must do herself.
Okay.
I think the signal is bad in Makassar because it is raining.
No. This is because of his mikrofon. Mikrofon bisa diaktifkan dulu mikrofonnya Ibu Nurhayati, dipencet mikrofon itu. Kalau mikrofonnya masih ada tanda, itu berarti dia nggak bisa. Nah, ini udah bisa. Udah, ulang sekali lagi yang tadi. Nah,
Okay. Okay, Miss Nurhayati.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Miss Nurhayati, you can.
Hello.
Yeah, okay. You can do self-introduction now.
Okay. Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Actually, I feel so shy to introduce myself.
No,
I
don't
feel
be
so
shy.
nervous because I think my English is not good, but I will try to introduce. Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Nurhayati Rahim. I live in Maros.
Oh.
I live in
Yeah.
Maros is a small city near of South Sulawesi. It's about 30 from Makassar. Actually, people foremost about Maros because Maros, what is international has Canadian airport is from Maros to Makassar is about 1 hour by express traffic jam. And then second thing, my job is employee of a government office, and then my to attend this class because I want to increase my English, improve my English, and actually I feel so happy because I have new friends from this group. Like that. Hello,
Yeah. Okay. Are you finished?
I'm finished.
Okay, Mr. Hayati, do you do working from home?
Yes. During COVID, I'm working from home. Just
Okay.
once time in a week, I went to office.
All right. Okay. So thank you. If it is finished, thank you very much for introduction today.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I want to say thank you so much for January for invite me join. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Okay. That was our self introduction. Thank you for both of you, Mr. Hayati and Mr. Haikal. Very nice
Yeah.
feedback. So, now let's go to question. Maybe I will read the CV from our speaker today. Our speaker today is Mr. Bahtiar Hayat Suhas, and he was born in Ponorogo, 30 May 1971. Now he lives in Surabaya and PT Allian Info Dinamika. And he also has some experience in writing books. He writes fiction and non-fiction books, and he is also an editor for fiction and non-fiction books. He also got awards from writing and blogging competitions. I think that's great experience from him. So today's topic, we are going to discuss about working from home. As we all know, in this pandemic situation, we have to do all everything from home, like working from home, study from home, and pray at home. So uh, I don't know whether everyone enjoy their working from home, but let's listen to material today, which is delivered by Mr. Bahtiar. So, Mr. Bahtiar, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. But how about my video? You can see me or
Your
no?
video, I cannot see it yet.
Yeah, because I has turned it on, but there is no my face in the screen.
Oh yeah. I also don't know how to make it appear in the screen.
I don't know why.
Maybe someone can help. Halo Mbak.
Mr. Bahtiar, maybe you can sign out from this meeting and you
Okay,
sign in again.
join again. Okay.
Yeah, join again. Okay.
Yes.
And Miss Nia can continue our discussion, maybe sharing about
Yeah.
the topic.
Yeah. All right. Talking about working from home, I also doing working from home for about 2 months, and actually, I don't really enjoy working from home. Yeah, I don't know. How about you guys? Do you enjoy working from home?
I come back. I come back. How about my video?
Okay.
Wow.
I still cannot see it actually.
Cannot see it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe you must to turn on your video.
Yes,
Just
I turn
click.
on. I has click.
Hmm.
I has turn off and turn on again.
But
Oh,
I we cannot see it yet.
Yeah.
no problem lah. We continue lah.
Okay, maybe you
Okay.
can just say what is it in the screen in the what is it PowerPoint.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
is
Okay.
it okay? Yeah, okay.
Yes.
You can start now.
Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hamidanillah tabaraka wa ta'ala wa musallim ala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In the name of God, the merciful, compassionate, and praise be to God, Lord of all universe. Salawat and salam, prayers and peace be upon of uh, our role model, our uswah and qudwah hasanah, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and on all his house and companions. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everyone. It is very
Good,
glad for me to welcome you in this meeting today. I would like
good.
to thank you for this opportunity to speak a little about how to enjoy working from home. Hope it will give you and me any beneficial and blessing to increase our English and our knowledge.
Yeah.
And I will use this good moment to convey congratulations to you all. A very happy I eat today from deepest of my heart with this special prayer that our Eid will be filled with pleasure, with smile, with colors, with love, with joy, with peace, and especially with healthy, because we are in the pandemic coronavirus today. May Allah accept our ibadah, accept our supplication and efforts
Amin.
during the month of Ramadan. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Amin. Amin.
It is, I think, a special Eid for us because almost of us do prayer, do Eid prayer at our home ourselves. Maybe some of you become the speaker or khatib, yeah, the first time experience in your life, like me also, and almost of you maybe didn't wear a new clothes in this happy day because we didn't go anywhere, we didn't silaturahim to another because
Yeah.
of the situation. But it is no problem because, like a wisdom say, laisal id liman labisal jadid, walakin id liman imanuhu yazid. Id, it is not for those clothes are new, but for those their faith increases. Okay, everybody, our topic today is working from home. I'm sure that not only me, but most of you now are working from home since 2 or 3 months ago. So I didn't feel as the only speaker today in this meeting, but I think you all are speakers also. I only open the door. I only give us introduction, stimulation, just like a piece of fire. But you all will spray the gasoline to make this meeting warm and then hot. Okay?
All right.
Okay, I will share my simple presentation. Just wait a moment.
Okay.
Mr. Yan, how to share the presentation.
I will help you here. I will present your PowerPoint here, and you just continue to talk.
Oh, I think
yeah.
I think I can. I can. I will.
I will present from here. You can hear this your presentation. I handle from here, Mr. Bahtiar.
Yes.
Yeah. This is the slide for working from home, and you will continue your presentation. Thank you.
Okay. Can you enlarge this presentation?
I'm sorry, just this is just.
Okay. Actually, I have a PPT version. There is something animation there.
Yeah, I really want to see it.
Okay, I think it's no problem. Okay, how to enjoy working from home? Yeah. I'm Bahtiar. Next, I am Bahtiar. I am working from home almost 5 years since 2013 when I come to the new company with Italian Infodinamica at Jakarta, and I living in Surabaya. Next. Okay, I live in Surabaya, East Java, since 2003 until now, and I have a big family with one wife and 3 sons and 7 daughters. Yeah,
Wow,
you can imagine my house.
big family, yeah.
And yes, I am Maximo AIM consultant. Maximo is enterprise asset management produced by IBM. That is application to manage the asset management in the company, especially company with intensive asset. I work at PT Italian Jakarta to 2013 until now. It is Sud Jakarta in Jalan in Sleepy area, Petamburan, near FBI. Okay. It is a company of IBM business partner. We have a triple E partner, means that PT Italian is one of the biggest IBM business partner in Maximo for IBM. We have brands in KL, and our project mostly Maximo project in Indonesia, in Malaysia, in Australia, and in Aljazair. It's just a brief of my company. Besides Maximo consultant, I also as a freelancer for chief editor in Al Haramain magazine since 2006. Maybe more than 10 years, yeah, as chief editor. No one wants to replace me until now. And besides that, I also a writer like Mr. President, Mr. Yan Kur, yeah, and freelancer editor and a book designer and something like that lah. And I have a little book, just six book and more as editor, and then designer book. Maybe in the most one is articles in the more than 150 edition until now. Okay, next. It is just a brief of me. It is my family. You can see my 10 children. 5 of them going to Pondok Pesantren in Malang, in Sumeneb Al Amin, in Amanatul Ummah Mojokerto, and the little one in Alif Lamim Surabaya. Actually, I plan all my children will go to Pondok Pesantren because our situation today is like this lah. You know what I mean. Okay, next. Okay, what is working from home? Next. I think it is. I think it is new term, but many of us has done working from home for several years ago, like me, because I from 2013 has already have already working from home. Working from home means an employee is working from their house, their apartment, their place of residence, rather than working from the office. The key here is only the place of work that changes. The work still belong to the company. My company in Jakarta, I am living in Surabaya. I do for my company, but the place that I work is not in Jakarta, but in Surabaya, in my home. Another definition of what working from home is doing work for someone else from home, not your personal task. Means that if we do our personal tasks at home, based on this definition, is not working from home, because we do our personal tasks, something like cleaning the house, cleaning the bedroom, something like that. It is not working from home.
Yeah.
Maybe it is working at home. Yeah, working at home.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah, that's
next.
different.
Yeah, okay, next. Is working from home the same with working at home? Okay, next. It is maybe seems like the same, but a little different. Working from home, the work belongs to the company, but working at home could be any work, including our personal work. Yeah, as I said before, working from home, do it in a regular and long-term basis, meaning that you or us just a day or 2 days to work our office work at home is not working from home, because it is not regular and it is not long-term basis. So working at home, occasional and short-term assignment, something like the boss asks to the officer or the consultant, please do this job by work at your home. Means that it is work at home, not work from home. Okay, working from home around the workplace, but completing it remotely. So the work is around the company, but we finish the job, finish the assignment, finish the work remotely, by remotely, not from our company, but somewhere out of the company, and we do it by remotely. Meanwhile, working at home, the workplace is actually at home. Maybe we are self-employed. We have a work at home. Maybe we online shopping, online. We sell something by online. It is working at home, not working from home, based on this definition. Okay, working from home, unless you go and start doing the work, it does not exist. Assignment give to us, but we didn't go and start the task at the home. The task is not exist. So if the task is something like this, when we do the task, we working from home, because we can go and start doing the work, and the task become exist. But working at home, the work is already exist. Maybe something something wrong with our doors, something damaged with our bedroom, we will to fix, to repair them. It is working at home because the problem is already exists at our home. Okay, next. It is working from home against working at home. Is working from home equal with working remotely? Somebody also comparing this to term. Yeah. Next. Next. Working from home, working from house, from apartment, from place of residence. When working remotely could be from home, but also anywhere outside the home. So working from home, based on this definition, cannot be done out of our place of residence. Something like in the cafe, in the coffee shop, in the co-working space, something like that. It is not working from home, but working remotely. Working from home, flexible in dress code, staff, location to work. We can use, wear sarong, we can wear short, we can wear pajama. Yeah. We flexible in dress code, but when we working remotely, we usually not as flexible as at home, because we being in public area, we will gather with the other person there, so we must wear our dress politely, more polite. Yeah. Okay, working from home maybe need a high speed connection to the remote, but working remotely need a high speed connection to do the same. Yeah, the same. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it is the same maybe. But working from home might be need. Meanwhile, working remotely need a high speed connection, because we need to remote or maybe server in another place. But working from home, maybe we didn't need to remote anything. We just do our work at home. So sometimes we might be no need a high speed connection to the remote. Okay, working from home is only around home, but working remotely could travel from co-working area to the other working area else. Next, it is something work from home. We can wear anything, even we can no wear anything. Okay, next. Is working from home equal with working online? Next, I just say it in simple statement here. Not all work from home must be online, and not all work online must be work from home. Right? Next, who can do working from home? Based on the definition above, who can do working from home? Not everyone can do working from home. Even the government say to jaga jarak, to stay at home, to di rumah saja, something like that. But not everyone can do working from home. So who can do working from home? Everyone whose his office work can be done remotely can work at home, work from home. Everyone whose this office work can be done at home or anywhere can do work from home. Everyone whose his office work not require him to be present physically can do working from home. Something like Gojek driver or Grab driver cannot do working from home, because physically they must to pick up a customer from a location to another location. Cannot do by a robot, or cannot do by from home. Yeah, to send his motorbike to the customer, cannot. Today cannot, but maybe in the future, okay. Everyone who has completed environment to do his office work at home remotely can do working from home. We can do working from home, but without completed environment, cannot do working from home. For example, I can do working from home theoretically, but my home is not completed environment. Maybe my home is near mountain without any internet connection. Uh, I cannot do working from home. Next, why should I do working from home? It is about my experience. Maybe it is different with most of you. Next, why should I do working from home? My home at Surabaya, my office at Jakarta. It is about 100 kilometers from Surabaya to Jakarta. By plane, at least one hour, 1 hour to go from Surabaya to Jakarta. So I I prefer to go to my office at the morning, and then I will go back to my home at after office hour. But it is not possible for me because my home at Surabaya and my office at Jakarta. So I should choose one of them to stay in Jakarta or stay in Surabaya. So because of this situation, and my family are also in Surabaya, so I choose working from home Surabaya. I cannot choose work at Jakarta because I didn't like to live in Jakarta with all the crowded traffic, jam, and maybe our kos-kosan will be in Bogor or in Bekasi that need at least 2 hours to reach the office. So we must go to the office before subuh and come to kos-kosan become after Isya maybe it is worst time for me. I didn't like this. So there are two requisite when I join this company. First, if I move or migrate to Jakarta, I will resign. If I to be moved to Jakarta, I will resign because I prefer to work at Surabaya. And the other, if my company get a project by the bad way, something like suap riswah something like that, I will resign from my company. So that's why I working from home at Surabaya. The other is about my my job as a Maximo consultant. Our activity is regarding the requirement definition, solution design, documentation, development the system, testing the system, user acceptance test, go live training support. Well, where all of these activities can be done remotely, can be done anywhere we stay. Maybe UAT go live entering cannot because it is should be on set in the customer. But the other one we cannot. We can do it anywhere in the world. At maybe about 80% can be remote. So the my job is one of my reason to become a work from home employee. The other one, my activity as a freelancer, editor, a writer, and something like that can be done everywhere. You know about that. A writer, an author can write anything, anytime, any place. Even 80% can be work from home. And I also plan when I resign from my company today, maybe 5 or 6 years later, I will become a full-time of writer. Yeah, 100% work from anywhere. WFA, work from anywhere. It is the second reason for me why I should do working from home. And the biggest reason why I should do working from home is about my big family. We have 10 children and one wife without housemate in my home, without asisten rumah tangga in my house. So you can imagine how busy my wife, yeah, to do anything domestic activities. So it is not good for me to go to Jakarta or to go to anywhere out from home and leave her to finish all the domestic activities. So I choose working from home. Next, what are the co-side for working from home? I think you know about this, yeah. Next, so in order we can do working from home, we need some stuff, yeah, some tools, laptop with minimum requirement for video conference, high speed internet connection, maybe Wi-Fi unlimited, smartphone to video conference at least, headset or hands-free, and the important one is a comfortable working area or working space in our home. Something like me, I have a special space at the second floor as my working space. Next, we need online meeting application, something like Google Meeting, Zoom, Teams, yeah, and another. And especially for consultant like me, IT consultant like me, I need remote access using VPN IP to remote the server, the application of our customer anywhere, and completed with user and password needed. I think at least this, so we can do working from home. Next, how to enjoy working from home. It is the last topic, yeah, subtopic of this presentation. Next, so it is need for us to be enjoy to working from home. If not, working from home is like a hell maybe. So the first one, I think we should realize that working from home gives us more family time. It is one of the motivation for me to enjoy working from home, because when we working from home, we receive more time to together with our family. We can manage our time more effective to together with them, with our wife and our children. Then we go to office in the morning and come back in the evening, where our family time is tightly. The next is we should set working from home schedule, especially if you have a regular working hours in the company, maybe from Monday to Friday, and from 9 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon or evening. It is can be good for you to inform this to our family that is our working hours. working hours. So they know that the in between 9 until 5 in the evening is our time to work. After that, we can do anything else. But someone like me that maintenance and support for customer that is 24 hours per 7 days, meaning there is no time to another. It is quite difficult for me. So I set a schedule with another consultant by shift, yeah, shift one, shift two, and shift three, so we can rolling this schedule to maximize our family time, not disturb our family time. Next is regarding the completed tools. I think if you didn't have a completed tools, you can do working from home enjoyably. The next is need for you when working from home to get rest and eat. Don't forget to get rest and eat. It is very important for us, especially in the situation where we should keep and manage our safety and our healthy. So getting rest and getting eat breakfast or lunch and other is very important. The next is keep connected. When you working from home, every day you just move from one room to another room, from walking space to kitchen to bedroom to guest room to bathroom. You can boring about this. So you need to keep connected with the others. Zoom, Google Meeting, Teams, and any application to get conference call can be used to make we keeping connected to the others. I think now there are many online seminar, webinar, something like that in the media, social media. You can follow to make your to manage your boring. And next is keep updated. I think you can read anything important and anything important for you to update your information. The next is keep productive. Sometimes when we working from home in the same place every day, and we just meet our wife and our family, it will make us lazy maybe. So please keep productive, although you working from home. Because if we lazy, we cannot enjoy working from home. The next is keep healthy, especially in the coronavirus pandemic now. By consume vegetable, consume fruit, milk, supplement for immune, and so on. It is very important. If you sick when working from home, it is not an enjoy situation for us. The next is be proportional. I think proportional for manage the time for family, time for working, and so on. And the next is do something new to kill your boring. Yeah. Do something new. Be creative. Be creative when you working from home. And the last is do outdoor activity. Sometimes we should go out from our home, maybe to the market, yeah, to help our wife to buy something in the market, to apothec to something somewhere else, yeah, to refresh our situation, our condition, to make us more fresh when come back to our home. Next. It is a quote. Yeah. Don't walk from bed. You won't your bed to be a place of peace and calm, not work stress. I don't know. Maybe some of you work from home in your bed, but from this quote, it is better for us to not working from home at our bedroom. Okay, next. It is just intermezzo. We know now is Millennial Disruption. It is a book written by Kuswo Hadi. Millennial kills everything. Millennial kill office and regular working hours. One of them. They didn't like to work at office regularly from 9 to 5. Yeah. They like to work from anywhere, from home, from coffee shop, from Starbucks, from something like that, co-working area. They like online meeting rather than offline meeting. They like mobile and sharing. So working, living, playing become mixed by this millennial. So working from home is trend for millennials. Yeah, for millennials. And now, next, next, be ready for digital 4.0 because we now by coronavirus they push us to be adaptive with work from home earlier. Now because coronavirus pandemic has pushed us to stay at home, to work from home, to jaga jarak, to social distancing, something like that. That is work from home is one of the millennial trend today. Next, I think it is my presentation for stimulate you all to discuss about this, and I beg this session to moderator. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you very much to Mr. Bahtiar, and the material is very interesting. And I didn't know about working from home and working at home are different. I think that's the same. Now I know it. And also working remotely, I just knew it today. So thank you for the new information. So now I'll open the discussion. Maybe some of you have questions. You can ask questions to Bahtiar, maybe. Anyone will ask questions? Hello? Feel free to ask to Mr. Bahtiar about working from home. Maybe you have a problem in your home while working from home. So anyone will ask something?
Yes.
Okay, Mr.
Good day.
Okay. What's the question? Mr. Fikri?
Yes. I have one question
Okay.
for Mr. Bahtiar.
Yes.
Firstly, so thank you for the new knowledge I get from this forum. And my question is, according to your experience about the work from home or how is this from this working from home? Yes, is it? Yes, it.
Okay, Mr. Bahtiar, do you get the point?
Sorry, I cannot hear clearly because yeah.
Can you repeat, Mr. Fikri?
Yes, according to your experience, what the shortage or short of from the from this work from home deficiency or
What?
is kekurangan, maybe kekurangan.
Oh,
Ah,
yeah, the lack of
yes.
working from home.
The like, yes.
Yes.
I mean
Okay.
that.
Okay. I direct to answer or maybe another question.
I want to ask directly. It's okay, or you will wait for another questions.
Maybe one more question lah.
Okay, okay. So any more questions from you guys? Is there anyone to ask something about this topic today? Maybe while we waiting for the next questions, Mr. Bahtiar will can answer the question.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the interesting question. Working from home for employee, there is cons and pro and cons. Yeah, pro and cons. And the cons, some of them is working from home give you opportunity to do anything else than task or assignment from company. Maybe your working hours is between 9 until 5 in the evening, but I'm not sure that from 9 to 5 every day you do the, the job assignment from your office, because something we do in the home at our home, something maybe disturb us, something like our children need something that we should help him, yeah, should help her to find something maybe, or to go to a bathroom, yeah, something like me. I have 10 children, and two of them uh, their age is about 2 and 4 years old, and these two children is close to me. So everything they need, they find me. Ayah, mau ini, mau itu. Ayah, I want to this, I want to that. They always find me. Although I in the working space, yeah, they didn't know their father is walking or playing or nothing. They didn't know. They just know that they want to go to bathroom and wants their father to pick up, to accompany them, yeah, something like that. It is regarding the any disturbance when we walking from home. The other uh, cons, yeah, in from our office perspective, it is difficult to monitor their employee that working from home. It is need to tools, something like online absence, present, yeah, online present, online absent, yeah, to monitor their employee that working from home. So something like my company now change the monitoring of their employee, that before the employee should go to office and fill up the absentee, the present list, and now working from home. So they change the monitoring by uh, result uh, result result based. result with. Today, we assign you A, B, C. And after office hour, they will check the assignment A, B, C, how the result. They maybe see this result rather than see the present history of their employee. Yeah, because we cannot serve, we cannot serve our employee really working from 9 to 5 because so far for us we don't know what they do in at home. Maybe they can fill up the absentee 9 to 5 to APC, but actually they sleep every day. They sleep all the day. We didn't know, except we uh, active the camera for all employees. That it is impossible lah. It is the second the lack of working from home. The next cons, maybe three of them. By working from home, if we didn't enjoy working from home, so we can more faster to boring. Some of us maybe cannot stay at the same place at the long time. Yeah, we need to travel to somewhere. So some of employee prefer to go to the office, to the cafe, to the anywhere else, yeah, rather than working from home day by day. So it is the lack of working from home also. If we didn't have any motivation to be enjoy working from home, we can reach, we can accept any boring situation if we cannot manage. I think it is my answer.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Mr. Bahtiar. So, explanation enough. Do you have any
Thanks
other?
for the answer.
Okay, all right. Next, maybe one more questions from other people. Do you have any questions, guys?
Yes, hello.
Yeah, hello. Who is it? Rifa Amini.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for the opportunity. And my questions is from your opinion, what is the ability, I mean soft skills that we have to master in this work from home era? I mean because
Sorry.
hello.
So, sorry. Can you make it clear?
Yeah.
Hello,
I
Miss
mean,
Rifa.
what is the soft skill that we master in this 4.0 era beside our hard skills?
Moderator, can you repeat the question?
All right. So, actually, if you don't get it, it's not clear enough.
Yeah.
Miss Rifa. Can you repeat? The connection thing, it's
The connection.
Hello?
Can you hear my voice?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, my question is the skill that we have to master in this point of era?
Hello.
Yeah, sorry, I don't get the point from Miss Rifa.
I didn't get the idea. Sorry, I didn't get the idea. Can the can she write in the chat room?
Yeah, maybe Miss Rifa can write the questions in the chat room.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, there is a question in chat room
The
from Mr. Nahar.
yeah, are the disadvantages of working from home? I think the disadvantages same with lack of
Yes.
yeah, the first question has answered. Mr. Bahir has answered. We are waiting for Ms. Rifa's questions. Okay, what soft skills that we have to master in this 4.0 era to increase our productivities? Okay, that's the question, Mr. Bahtiar.
Yeah. It is quite difficult to answer, but you can first read the Mr. Yanwardi Syukur book,
Oh yeah,
the new one
his book. Yeah.
regarding the Muslim 4.0 era to get a soft skill to face the digital 4.0. It
Yeah.
is the digital disruption era, meaning that the uh, development of digital kill many job, many occupation, many business, yeah, in the world. So we all should prepare and be ready to uh, to enter to this disruption era. Disruption era. The soft skill, I think, uh, in this digital era is a digital soft skill. Digital soft skill, something like how to easy get information from the social media, maybe. You need to be wise to read and write something in the social media, so you can get information from social media, not only data something like maybe can be worse, sampah, ya, maybe can be worse, but if you can filter it, check and recheck, check and balance. You can filter it. You can grab the important information from the social media. Not all of them wrong. Not all of them is not is not uh, is not have benefit, but some of them there is a benefit from social media. So the soft skill you need in the digital era now, how to filter, how to get the important information from any data that is come and go in the our social media. It is one of the soft skill for us to become millennials era today. Is that enough?
Yes, so the answer is we have to be wise in using social media in this era.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One more answer, maybe Miss Rifa can read Mr. Yanwardi Syukur new book. Yeah, maybe the answer will complete there. So I think it's enough, yeah, for the questions. It's almost 3 o'clock. Is it enough? Finish, or is there any more questions? Hello, everyone. If you have one more questions, maybe we can try one more question.
I have a question for Mr. Bahtiar.
Okay, Mr. Yanwar. All right.
Okay,
I
okay.
have a question, Mbak Nia.
Okay, please go ahead. Yankur, Mr. Yankur, where is it? Hello, Mr. Yanwardi.
Mbak Nia.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. What is the questions?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Bahtiar. My first question is, how do you feel, or how do you enjoy your life, your work from home with 10 children? I mean, some people believe that 2 children is enough, 2 or 3 children is enough, but you have so many children, so many in this era. 10 children is very fantastic for us. What is the problem when you, as a worker, as not as a worker, as a kepala keluarga, as with 10 children? My second question is, how to manage your time to work and time to your family. So this is very important for me, not only for me, maybe for us, to manage our time to reading Quran, time to ibadah, and time to working from home. I think that's 2 questions from me. Thank you, Mr. Bahtiar.
Thank you, Mr. Yanwardi Syukur. Even one question from you is too much for me, because the number one, how to enjoy working from home with 10 children. Yeah. Okay. The first one, I and my wife realized that it is a trust from Allah, ya, a trust from God, amanah, ya, from God, that we that He trusts us with 10 children. Even we try to restrict our children at 4, but because one and another reason, after that we finally have 10 children, 11 children. Yeah, one of them is keguguran. Yeah, I have 11, but one of them is not mature. It's not immature. Immature. Yeah. 2 months in my wife rahim, and then go out, keguguran. I think it is our doa when we getting married at 2000. How many children we will have? I asked to my wife. My wife just say, "What do you think if we create a kesebelasan?" Apa itu kesebelasan? The 11 team lah, ya. So now I have 11 children because of our doa, maybe. But I think that we manage 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10 children is the same. the difficulties is the same because one child and another is have their own character, own specialties. Yeah. So we should manage them. Each children is different with the other. So if we didn't realize that it is amanah, I think it has become a difficulty for us. So the first things that I aware with my wife that it is amanah. So whatever he gives us, even 10 children, we should do our best to make them as God expect to us, something like that. It is regarding our philosophy, our mindset, how to manage the children. Regarding the manage time to work and the others, our strategy to reduce the crowded of our family is by sending our children to out of our home earlier. So after they finish elementary school, sekolah dasar, we send them to pondok pesantren in Surabaya, in Mojokerto, in Pujon Malang, in Sumeneb, and another place. So when they send to the other place out of our home, the number of children we should manage day by day is decreased. Something like today, five of our 10 children become pondok pesantren santri at pondok pesantren. So the rest of them is only 5 children, and it is more easier for me and for my wife to manage them. I think it is one of the strategy to manage time with my children, to reduce them in the home, so we send them to another place, to pondok pesantren when finish the sekolah dasar, elementary school. The other is something like water flow, air mengalir saja. I cannot manage my time very strict, so that if I walking, somebody else, including my children, cannot disturb me. I didn't like that, and one of the reason I choose working from home because flexibility to manage the time. Fortunately, as a consultant of IT company, I can manage my time flexible. I can work in the morning until 12, then get rest, and then continue to the maybe 3 until Maghrib, get rest again, and then in the night, something like that. So I can manage the time with my children, my family, by maybe every day is not the same between yesterday, because the problem, the situation today is different with before. Flexibility is the key for me to choose the working from home, so I can manage time to work and time for my family effectively. I think it is my short answer to you, Mr. Januarti.
Yeah, okay. So thank you for the answer. So, Mr. Yanwardi, do you have any arguments for the explanation?
It's enough for me. Thank you very much. Very inspiring for us.
Thank you very much, Mr. Januardi.
I think it's in for discussion today, and the topic is really interesting. We can our daily activities at home, and I hope you all enjoy your working from home. So thank you very much to Mr. Bahtiar who has delivered the material, and
You're welcome.
also thank you for you guys who has joined the discussion today. Before closing the discussion, maybe I will apologize for maybe there is some mistake from me, and I'm so sorry. Then maybe we can close the discussion today. Thank you very much. And see you in the next meeting. Hope you guys can join again in the next meeting next week, as usual. Very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.